Well, today we have a video based on SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and it's a basic thing needed for database handling. We're gonna see some basic commands in SQL and their syntax and also their functions. Let's start. Here we have my SQL Workbench, which is used to create databases manually. I have created a schema named New Schema and contains a table named emp_inf. Now, we're gonna display, modify, and delete the table using commands. For that, let's move to my SQL command line. Mine is the latest 8.0 version and the Workbench is the same. You may find some new options out here. Leave those. We're now at the MySQL command line window, which looks exactly like the CMD, but the function isn't the same. You have to enter the password that you've typed in when you were asked for it in the Workbench. Okay, let's put on the commands. The first one is the select command. It selects the thing we want and displays it. Type select. Then then specify the table name with the schema accessed by dot operator. The asterisk symbol is used to select the full table. If you want to display a specific column, you may type select. Then the table name and the unique key, the primary key of the data. The select command displays the table or part of a table which is specified. Let's move on to the insert into command. It is used to insert a new column to the table. The syntax for insert command is insert. Then the table name with schema name with dot operator. When doing any function with the table, you must specify the table name with the schema name in front. Then we can type the values to be added to the new column. Type values and add each value to the corresponding column as in the table. Never forget to terminate the command with a semicolon. This will count as an error. Okay, now. The table has got one more employee named Chris Clark. All the information we've entered has correctly been added to the corresponding column. Okay. That's too fast indeed. Next we're moving on to the update command. The command does exactly what it means. It updates what it is specified into a new one. Type update, then the table name with schema name. Then set what to modify. Then provide the condition whether to modify all or some, according to the condition. It's the employee Chris Clark, who have had moved into his old department to a new one. Type set. The department number, 1. Then the condition. We only need Chris Clark's department to be changed to 1. For that, where emp_no equals 1, then semicolon. Now we can see that Chris Clark's department has been updated to 1. That's all for update. Then comes the delete command. The delete command allows us to delete a column or the whole table. Here, consider this table. We don't want Chris Clark now as he is resigned. So we don't want his name in the table. To delete that, type delete then specify from where. Here from the table. Then provide the condition. Note that, the condition must be given with respect to primary key if you have a single user to delete. Here, it's emp number is1. So type where emp_no equals 1. Then semicolon. That's all. Let's see what happens. Chris is gone. Now we have the drop command. It deletes the whole table in one go. Type drop. Then the table name. Let's see what had happened. The table is gone. Okay, that's for today. See you another day with some other things. Thank you for watching.